How's it going, everybody? Rob here, back with another video, and, well, we are going to be doing another reaction. This time, however, or at least reacting to another video from, Zombie Orpheus Entertainment, and continuing JourneyQuest, another thing that I haven't done in a long time. Now, I'm gonna say this. For those who have noticed, I've been kind of doing a different sort of rotation for videos. So I can start doing more of these reaction videos and have fun with it. So it's like a reaction, then let's play, and then just repeating the thing. Though, there's going to be a little bit of a thing too, because on some days, I'll focus on one game. Other days, I'll focus on, or at least for a period of time, I'll focus on one game, then the next, and the next, and then intersplice different live action, live games that I'm playing, like stuff that are basically online only, so to speak. So, anyways, we're gonna focus on some JourneyQuest. This is JourneyQuest, Season 2, Episode 3, Mewling Monkey Talk. Okay, and I'm going to make sure caps are on, and everything's normal. Okay, let's go. Oh, good lord. Oh!
There's the escape. Twinkle away.
Twinkle away.
Oh, if I rescue her, she'll give me kisses and hugs.
Oh my gosh. I forgot how much the sword's a dick.
They were gonna braid my hair. Will you braid my hair? Oh. You should have run.
Oh, man. I love this intro. Just him run away. Oh, wait, no, I dropped my hat. Okay.
And will Caro be joining us?
He'll be fine. Dad wouldn't be interested in him anyway.
Quiet.
Maybe it's a way out.
Maybe it's more undead. Maybe I just said quiet.
Yeah.
Shh. You first.
See that right there? That's why I like her.
See, that right there, that's why I like her. Okay.
It's an orc with glasses.
Great, go stab him.
Yeah, I really don't think that that's such a good idea.
I do. Let's kill me some orc.
Well, so much for the element of surprise.
I really like honeysuckle.
Oh.
Hans! Quest was? Bernard, Nubud School Godza.
Your father sucks dwarfs in hell. Dwarf hell.
Shut up! He's got a scroll!
Oh.
The excuse you're about to offer had better be astoundingly good.
I can't feel a breeze.
Not good enough.
The way we came in was locked from the outside. Cats, honeysuckle. Which means he came in some other way. I can't feel a breeze. Therefore, we might need him to show us the way out.
Yeah.
Neep.
Oh my gosh. So it seems like the drug's wearing off. So she's like half lucid, half not. Okay.
I can always feed him to the ghouls. You're their translator, eh? Translate word bag.
Hadzagdoru Orko. Kravagox drew Nobo Rude's home.
Kadamenias, Wufo. And I can speak your mewling monkey talk of a language.
Oh,
Okay.
well, that certainly simplifies things. Glad I could be of service.
What's wrong with her? She been huffing pots?
See?
No, she's just drugged.
Chop chop, pork tusk.
Do you have any objection to me bringing along my gear? I'd rather the rats not chew on it.
You're the one carrying it.
So,
Okay.
to recap, and I want to make sure I have this absolutely sorted, you gave the most important epic in history to a warbling hack.
The augurs foretell 100 sword quests a year. I'm supposed to guess one of those is genuine and fish it out of the stack?
Yes,
Yeah.
that does fall squarely in your purview.
It's out of our hands. The epic's in progress. Has been for a year.
Which means I've already missed who knows how many acts. I'll have to reconstruct the entire setup.
That should all be in her notes. She always did take good notes.
Which I can't take from her unless she elects to give them to me.
Unlikely.
Or I can catch her in an infraction.
Shouldn't be hard. Her record's spottier than a dyspeptic hyena.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm under a lot of pressure and I don't have time to vet every simile.
Black, silver brooch, feather, jaunty angle. Jaunty, not rakish.
I've summoned the wizards. They'll teleport you shortly.
No, no wizards. Too imprecise. We know neither her nor her party's location. It's the Afterlands. 1,000,000 square miles of ruins and wilderness emptier than a banker's heart.
Gods.
Oh,
She
Lord.
could be anywhere. Anywhere. How will we find her?
The answer's right behind you.
What? Oh!
You
Wait. What is that dude?
have a single wish left, I believe.
Oh, he's a genie! Oh! Okay.
But no, you see,
Most important epic in history.
yes, but I was saving that.
Which you miss aside.
But it's mine!
Future generations will know of your sacrifice. In fact, I predict that they'll be so moved by how you spent your last wish that no one will remember the first.
What was the first? Oh, did she wish to be in her position? Oh my gosh, that would... Oh, wow. Oh, she's a bad... She is a bad individual.
Out. Both of you. I want an entire arc dedicated to my selflessness. A tear-jerking heart-wrencher with book-ending acts.
I'll give you a framing chapter with occasional asides.
Of multiple verses.
2 stanzas per.
Fine, but I get my own distinct rhyme scheme.
Done. Gods be praised.
No.
Now,
I think that genie's like, yes, I'm out of here. Oh, man.
wish me by the side of the person she spoke to last.
Okay.
Megzit God's Ashava goes through a car. Shit, Ashvadas. Keyodapu. Gazgul. Orko.
Katha Suda Petre Clavagax.
Egak, Norlo Sibuwam. Net, Jageret Sigamawan Ka.
Okay.
Aho. Alruviagax.
About it?
Od. Door.
No.
Sugax Uvia.
Why should we talk?
Canas Catius.
You always want to talk.
Kataka Harald Skozo.
God's Ushklim chat.
Okay.
Akara Lord Atni. Gatni Idno Grego. Gatsni Korno.
Ranakatu. Pumat Nabud Zixusum Ukranza Ek Pumat Gazu Durum Busharak.
Oh, no.
Lord Odaka Rutana. A poof.
Yeah. Okay. So now that Bard is on the scene, I guess. Oh, well, this is gonna all suck. Ooh, this music. Oh, I love this beat. Oh man, so overall, this has been a really good freaking episode. It was short. I mean, it's about like, I want to say like maybe 8 minutes or so, but overall, like it was a lot of fun to watch, and I absolutely enjoyed it. Looking forward to more. So, for now, though, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Looking forward to the next time I react to some more of JourneyQuest. For now, thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. If you guys can, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. If you guys want to follow us on social media, links are in the description down below, as well as check out our daily content and the weekly podcast. With that being said, this is Novakast signing off. Have a good one. Take care. And I'll see you guys next video.